Growing plant without soil can be fun and fascinating. When your plants are properly cared for, you are more likely to get the desired result. Light is essential to the plant growth, whether in soil or water. The right amount of light ensures your plant will have the healthy growth. Number 2 is the glass container are the popular choice for growing plant in the water, as can help slow the algae growth, and it is interesting to see the root growing. Number 3, use clean filtered or dechlorinated water to prevent issue with nutrient imbalances, and add clean water weekly. So start a small water garden and expand your garden as you become more confident. So hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel Surupa Diaries with one more new video. In this video we have shared 15 most beautiful indoor plants that you can propagate easily in the water. Water propagation is simple and straightforward, making it ideal for the beginners also. As the heat increases in the environment, the chance of cutting to grow in water successfully. So let's start the video. Monstera plant can be successfully propagated in water. Take a cutting from a healthy plant, ensuring it has a node and an aerial root. Place the cutting in a jar or a glass with a few inches of filtered water. Change the water every 3 to 4 days to prevent bacteria or fungal growth. Next plant is Syngonium. Syngonium plants can be easily propagated in water through stem cutting. Place a cutting with at least one node in a container of fresh water. Ensure the node is submerged. New roots will develop and the plant can then be transferred to a pot with a soil. Next is spider plant. Spider plant are another easy house plants to grow in water only. These plants produce plantlets on long cascading stems that can be snipped off and popped in a glass of water to grow roots. English ivy is another waning plant that produces aerial roots similar to pothos. When planted outdoors, these vines can be invasive and quickly take over your garden. When confined to a container and kept indoor, they can enjoy their lush beauty without the stress of managing the spread. Next is Chinese evergreen. The Chinese evergreen is a hardy plant that requires little attention. It tolerates lower light conditions and can grow in water long term. Thanks to the thick stem and large leaves, Chinese evergreen come in a various leaf shape, color and overall sizes. Goldust croton can also be propagated in water. To do so, take a stem cutting from a healthy plant, remove the lower leaves and place the cutting in a glass of water. Change the water frequently and keep the cutting in a bright indirect light location. Once root develop, transplant the rooted cutting into a pot with a well-draining potting mix. Pennywort plants can be easily propagated in water. To propagate pennywort in water, take a stem cutting with a few leaves and place it in a container of water, ensuring that leaves do not get submerged. Next is Coleus. Coleus is a colorful foliage plant that roots quickly in water. Coleus thrives with filtered morning sun and shade in the afternoon, especially in the hot climate. It is very easy to grow plant in the indoor in water. Anthurium. The heart-shaped leaves and a pretty red, pink or white bloom of this plant make it a must-have. The flowers, which are actually modified leaves, show off for a couple of months. This sturdy plant is almost always in bloom. prayer plant can be easily propagated in water. This method involves taking a stem cutting from a healthy plant, placing them in a glass of water with the nodes submerged and waiting for the roots to develop before transplanting to the soil. Next plant in my list is wandering jew. To propagate a wandering jew in water, take a healthy stem cutting with a few leaves, place the cut end in a glass of water, change the water regularly, and roots should emerge in a few weeks. Philodendron. Philodendron are known for their trailing growth and lush leaves. It is an easy to care for plant that allow even new gardeners to have success. They love humid environment and can handle a wide range of lightning condition without any sign of struggle. They root in water just as easily as pothos and will produce a thriving plant in no time. Next is begonia. While all begonias grow well in water, Rex and tuberous variety will do exceptionally well. These plants have colorful foliage and beautiful blooms. It may take several weeks from cutting to the root development. Next is pothos. Pothos is one of the most popular choice for water growth. Its vining nature, heart-shaped leaves and ability to handle almost any light condition make it a stylish and low maintenance option to grow plant indoor. It is also known as the money plant. Next is herbs. Any soft stem herb will survive in water. Take a cutting from a mature healthy plant and place it in a sunny spot. Herbs need plenty of bright indirect light to thrive. Basil, mint, oregano, thyme and sage are just few herbs that can be grown in water successfully. So guys, that's all for today. We sincerely hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more new videos. Thanks once again. Have a nice day.